If you're wondering how to track hours worked on projects using SuiteDash, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up for your team, streamline your workflows, and track time effectively. Stick around because I'm also going to show you some alternatives that could actually be a better fit depending on your goals, and you'll get an exclusive free trial for the software mentioned. Now, let's dive straight in. To start tracking hours on SuiteDash, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Project Management section. This is where you'll be able to manage all your ongoing projects and track the hours worked by each member of your team. SuiteDash allows you to create projects, assign tasks, and link those tasks to specific time logs. Next thing, once your project is created, head over to the Time Tracker feature within the Task section. Here, you can easily start the timer with just a click. As you or your team members work, it tracks every minute spent on a task. You can pause and resume the timer anytime, which is great for projects with sporadic work sessions or multiple team members contributing at different times. The third thing, if you're managing multiple projects, SuiteDash lets you filter the time logs by project or by user, which is especially helpful if you're overseeing a lot of ongoing work. You'll get a detailed breakdown of how much time each team member has dedicated to each project, and you can even see this data in reports. Next, let's talk about the manual entry option. Sometimes, not everything happens in real time. SuiteDash allows you to manually log time if, for some reason, you forgot to start the timer or you need to input time after the fact. You just click the Log Time button, select the task, enter the time spent, and save. The fifth thing, SuiteDash offers a detailed timesheet report that you can export in various formats, including PDF and CSV. This is perfect for payroll, client billing, or just tracking project progress. You can see the total hours worked, compare it against the project's estimated time, and evaluate the efficiency of your team. However, while SuiteDash does a lot of things well, there are some downsides. The time tracking system can feel a bit rigid if you need more customization. For instance, if you have multiple tasks running simultaneously or need more detailed subtask tracking, you might find SuiteDash lacking in flexibility. It's also worth mentioning that the interface can be a little clunky when it comes to navigating through multiple projects or time logs. But that's not the only option out there. If you're looking for alternatives, I've got you covered. There are other project management tools that offer time tracking with more flexibility and customization options. These alternatives come with free trials and could better suit your workflow, especially if you need more robust features for time tracking and project management. And the best part? If you decide to give SuiteDash a try, we've partnered up to give you an exclusive and extended free trial. But remember, if you're after something with more customization, the alternatives I'm about to show you could be a better fit. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial, plus exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. So, if you're ready to track hours worked on projects with ease and get the most out of your project management tool, check out the link below for your free trial of SuiteDash and its competitors, and decide which one's the best fit for your needs.